In this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert a video in your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So what you want to do to insert a video is to go in top left corner and you're going to click on insert. From here you're going to go to the right till you see media tab, and here you will have video. You're going to click on insert video, and from here you have three options that you can insert the video from, either from this device, stock videos or online videos. We're going to choose this device. Then we're going to choose the video that we will insert. For me is this one. And then we're going to click on insert button. And as you can see now, we just inserted the video and it is playing right now on our Microsoft PowerPoint slide. Also, you can change the size of the video. So for example, you can make it like this. Also, you can insert videos from stock videos, which are provided by Microsoft PowerPoint. So for example, let's choose this one. You're going to click on insert. And as you can see, again, we just inserted a video. Let's play it and see how it looks. So guys, thanks for watching and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel.